This video will offer in-depth answers to common questions, ensuring that you have all the information you need to activate our latest product, investment plans, confidently. What are investment plans? Investment plans offer a strategy for long-term passive investing. They offer the flexibility to design a personalized portfolio of ETFs that align with your risk tolerance, industry preferences, or regional coverage. With Auto Invest, the plan will automatically allocate your invested capital to each ETF according to your designated percentage allocation. As the value of your investment plan evolves, you'll get alerted to readjust the plan based on your initial fund allocation preferences. How can I create an investment plan? You can only create an investment plan on the XTB app, though you can manage the plan through XStation after being created. To create an investment plan, you need to choose the desired ETFs for your investment plan, determine the percentage of each ETF in the portfolio, top up your plan, set the investment amount, and confirm your choice, and your investment plan will be created. To manage your investment plan, go to the Edit tab on your plan. Remove the ETF that does not align with your strategy, add a new fund to your portfolio, set the percentage share of instruments in the portfolio, confirm your choice, and your investment plan will be updated. How do I find out more information about the ETFs I'm selecting for my investment plan? When selecting each ETFs to choose as part of your investment plan, simply click on the I button to learn more information about that specific ETF. This will take you to another section of your portfolio where you can learn some valuable information such as basic info, key facts, performance, and portfolio. It's important you fully understand the information about each ETF under your investment plan, and we encourage you to do your research before finalizing your plan. So what does the star rating mean? We want to be as transparent as possible about each ETF we offer. As part of that dedication, we import the star rating from Morningstar, one of the world's leading investment research firms. Morningstar assigns a 1 to 5-star ranking to each fund based on past performance relative to peer funds. Star ratings are graded on a curve. The top 10% of funds receive 5 stars, the next 22.5% receive 4 stars, the middle 35% receive 3 stars, the next 22.5% receive 2 stars, and the bottom 10% get 1 star. Are investment plans commission free? Yes. There is no commission as long as your monthly turnover does not exceed the equivalent of €100,000. Additionally, 0.5% currency conversion cost may apply when you invest in ETFs that are priced in a currency that's different from your base currency, i.e., you have a GBP account but invest in a Euro ETF. How much does it cost to run an investment plan? Setting up and running investment plans at XTB is completely free of charge. We don't charge any management or custody fees for this product. How many investment plans can I run simultaneously? It is possible to run up to 10 investment plans simultaneously. All plans are free to run. Download the XTB app today to get started on your investment plan.